barely made it to our flight. As in super clutch. But see you guys in the Magete. Made it to Magete. So we haven't had breakfast yet, so first stop, Joe's Chicken Inato. So we just got to our rest house over here at Santander after riding the Roro ride. So here's a quick look at the place. And we'll just rest first. Peace. What's up, guys?
So beautiful.
What's up, guys? We just landed here in Santander and I'm about to show you guys what's inside my sneaker bag. So before we start with today's video, I just want to give a huge shout out to Katha bags for sending this over. So this is like their sneaker bag, and yeah, I added some stuff to make it more hype. So yeah, here we have a Supreme sticker just to add a design, and some essentials. We have some crepe wipes to clean my sneakers just in case they get dirty. So ayan, I put it over there. Then first item is this Supreme towel. I'll let me unbox it for you guys. Since we're in the beach, we're going swimming a lot, so I needed something hype for my towel para maganda rin tingnan sa Instagram. So right here I have this Supreme towel. So and then first thing up is a pair of Jordan 1s. So just in case we go out here like dinners and stuff, I have something to wear na maganda. And again, this is my favorite silhouette of sneaker, the Jordan. So yeah, might as well bring a pair of Jordan 1s to vacation. And so you put it like this here in the sneaker bag, and you guys can see it's raining right now, and this colorway is actually the storm blue, so perfect for the storm. So yeah, first here and here, and then we have some swim trunks. So first one, I have my favorite everyday shorts, which is the Supreme water shorts. And then next we have this most hated player shorts. This is actually Nick Young's brand, which is one of my favorite NBA players style-wise, and super ganda niya. I'll pop a picture of him wearing this, and super in lang. So ayan, another pair of swim trunks. And then just the normal swim shorts from Chummi, some beaters. And then I don't know, should I show this one? Supreme beer.
Oh my god.
And I have some more, and then some t-shirts. Up next is this kit t-shirt, another just for everyday. over here is a soft polo, which Bianca's actually borrowing. And then some more t-shirts. I have this Utmost Godzilla tee and solid in the left. And then just a Utmost logo tee. So if you guys want some hype t-shirts like this, it's actually available on my Instagram, which is at streetwear.hall. Make sure to follow that. And solid. More Cause Sesame Street t-shirts. What's this? A Riff Manila t-shirt. Just normal black t-shirts for every day. And then I also brought this Katha that we actually bought from the last video, which was the H&M budget outfit challenge. So, and again, it looks like a Burberry jacket, and it cost around $20 only, which is around 1,000 pesos. And then just for fancy dinners, I bought a polo shirt RL. Yan. So ito some toiletries, my contact lens, some deodorant, and then some sleeping stuff. So sleeping shorts, then pairs of socks. And so basically that's it for my sneaker bag. Ang dami niya nalalagay actually, super ganda niyang travel essential. And I think it retails for around 3,000 to 4,000 pesos, which is super not bad. And super sakto siya for the size of a hand carry bag. It's a plain. And I added this little Supreme keychain because I needed to add hype to it because it's just plain black. I mean, that's just me. It's super extra. So let's show them the bag. Bam. So now it's time to enjoy this beautiful rest house of our friend. And yeah. So there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below some other YouTube video recommendations that you might have. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we're doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers.